Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore India's constitutional institutions, Parliament, Supreme Court, and the governor's role in governance. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Parliament of India. Powers and responsibilities. 1. Legislative power. The Parliament has the power to make laws on subjects enumerated in the Union list and concurrent list, Article 245, 246. 2. Financial power. The Parliament has the power to approve the budget, impose taxes, and authorize government expenditure, Article 112 to 117. 3. Executive control. The Parliament exercises control over the executive through questions, debates, and parliamentary committees. Constituent power. The Parliament has the power to amend the Constitution subject to certain limitations, Article 368. Electoral power. The Parliament participates in the election of the President and Vice President of India. Role in governance. The Parliament plays a vital role in governance by 1. Representing the people. Members of Parliament represent the interests of their constituents and provide a platform for their voices to be heard. 2. Holding the government accountable. Through parliamentary mechanisms such as questions and debates, the Parliament holds the government accountable for its actions. 3. Shaping policy and legislation. The Parliament plays a crucial role in shaping policy and legislation, ensuring that laws reflect the needs and aspirations of the people. Supreme Court of India. Powers and responsibilities. Judicial review. The Supreme Court has the power of judicial review, which enables it to examine the constitutionality of laws and government actions, Article 13, 32, and 226. 2. Interpretation of the Constitution. The Supreme Court is the ultimate authority on interpreting the Constitution, ensuring that laws and government actions align with the provisions. 3. Protection of fundamental rights. The Supreme Court is responsible for protecting the fundamental rights of citizens as enshrined in Part 3 of the Constitution, Article 32. 4. Appellate jurisdiction. The Supreme Court has appellate jurisdiction over high courts, allowing it to hear appeals against their decisions, Article 132 to 134. 5. Advisory jurisdiction. The President of India can seek the Supreme Court's advice on matters of public importance or interpretation of the Constitution, Article 143. Role in upholding the Constitution. The Supreme Court plays a crucial role in upholding the Constitution by Number one, ensuring checks and balances. The Supreme Court ensures that the executive and legislative branches of government do not overstep their powers. Number two, protecting individual rights. By protecting fundamental rights, the Supreme Court safeguards individual liberties and promotes social justice. Number three, promoting constitutional values. The Supreme Court's decisions help to promote constitutional values such as secularism, democracy, and socialism. Relationship between the Supreme Court and Parliament. The Supreme Court and Parliament have a complex relationship, with each institution playing a vital role in the governance of India. While the Parliament has the power to make laws, the Supreme Court ensures that these laws align with the Constitution. The Supreme Court's decisions can also influence the Parliament's legislative agenda. The Supreme Court of India and the Parliament of India are two vital institutions that work together to ensure the effective governance of the country. While the Supreme Court protects the Constitution and individual rights, the Parliament represents the people and shapes policy and legislation. Article 142 of the India's Constitution empowers the Supreme Court to pass decrees or orders necessary for doing complete justice in any cause or matter pending before it. This article has two main clauses. Clause 1, the Supreme Court can pass decrees or orders to ensure complete justice in any pending matter, and these orders are enforceable across India as per laws made by Parliament or directed by the President. Clause 2, the Supreme Court has the power to secure attendance of persons, production of documents, or investigate and punish contempt of itself. Key aspects of Article 142. Doing complete justice. Article 142 allows the Supreme Court to bridge gaps in law and deliver equitable outcomes, ensuring justice prevails over procedural technicalities. Filling legislative voids. The Supreme Court can provide immediate remedies in areas where legislative provisions are inadequate, but their power must be exercised within constitutional limits. Limitation and accountability. The Supreme Court must exercise judicial restraint, maintain consistency with legal doctrines, and uphold nature, justice, and fairness. The Supreme Court of India recently delivered a landmark judgment in the case of State of Tamil Nadu versus Governor of Tamil Nadu, defining the duties and responsibilities of the Governor of Tamil Nadu. The court's decision clarified the governor's role in granting assent to bills passed by the state legislature and established timelines for the governor to act on bills. Key points from the judgment. Governor's absence. Under Article 200 of the Constitution, the governor can grant assent, approve the bill, making it a law. Withhold assent, reject the bill, but must return it to the Assembly for reconsideration. Reserve for President, send the bill to the President for consideration, but only if it is materially different from the original bill. Timelines for action. The governor must act on bills within specific timelines. 1 month. To grant or withhold assent on the aids and advice of the Council of Ministers. 3 months. To return a bill or reserve it for the President contrary to the state cabinet's advice. 1 month. To grant assent after a bill is repassed by the Assembly. No pocket veto. The Supreme Court ruled that the Indian Constitution does not permit a pocket veto or absolute veto by governors, meaning they cannot stall bills indefinitely without action. In this specific case, the Supreme Court deemed 10 bills as having received assent due to the governor's unjustified delay and constitutional violations. The court's decision emphasized the importance of timely action by the governor to avoid legislative paralysis and promote accountability in governance. So thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.